Ever stumbled across a shopping app that seems almost too good to be true? That's exactly what happened when Joybuy launched in the UK. Samsung Galaxy tablets for half of Amazon's price, same-day delivery that actually arrives same day, and behind it all, a $158 billion Chinese retail giant most Brits have never heard of. That company is JD.com, ranked 47th on the Fortune Global 500, bigger than Target or Walgreens, serving 600 million customers across Asia. In August 2025, they rebranded their European operations from OMA to Joybuy, soft launching in select UK postcodes with warehouses in Dunstable, Milton Keynes, Coventry, and Preston, plus a partnership with Morrisons for grocery items. On paper, the app looks like a dream. Real-time UK inventory, flash sales, and prices 20 to 50% cheaper than Amazon on everything from electronics to snacks. But here's the catch. Joybuy is still in a test phase. While hundreds of shoppers report fast deliveries, some same day even for late-night orders, things can and do go wrong. Trustpilot reviews show complaints about delayed or failed deliveries, robotic email responses, and refund processes dragging far past the promised 5 days. Returns can also be tricky, especially for items like furniture or mattresses that can't be repackaged once opened. On top of that, there's dangerous name confusion. An unrelated Joybuy.com seller on Walmart has terrible reviews, which can mislead people researching the UK platform. Essentially, you're beta testing JD.com's European expansion in exchange for cheaper prices. If your order goes smoothly, you win. If something breaks in the chain, it could mean weeks of frustration with an understaffed customer service system. So what's the takeaway? Joybuy UK is backed by one of the largest and most legitimate retailers in the world, and the prices are real, not bait and switch. But the test phase label is significant. You're getting genuine value, but you're also taking a calculated risk that your order may run into hiccups. Whether that's acceptable depends on your risk tolerance. For straightforward purchases, it's a steal. For complex or fragile items, you may want to wait until the UK infrastructure is fully operational. If this review helped you understand what's real versus risky, mission accomplished. Keep questioning everything, shop smart, and I'll see you in the next investigation where we separate what's worth your money from what's just expensive marketing hype.